Hello, writing lovers. I am Hassan Siddiqui, your friendly neighborhood writer. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are gonna talk about the power of imagination and how it can help you achieve your writing dreams. Just to remind you, in the previous video, I talked about reading and how it can help you begin your writing journey. And today we will delve deeper into the power of imagination. Because if you can dream it, you can do it. If you can dream of holding your book in your own hands, you can do it. If you can dream of getting your article published in your favorite newspaper, you can do it. If you can dream of getting published your short story in your favorite magazine, you can do it. And if you can dream of getting published your poem in any of your favorite place, you can certainly do it. I know it is doable because I have done it. Imagination is a super powerful thing because when we become able to imagine something, it gives us power to move forward toward that thing. So today I challenge you to imagine that it's done. Imagine that it's done. Imagine that it's done. And you will be able to move forward toward it. I will meet you on the next Friday in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can keep getting inspiration about writing. Thank you.